Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, our Circle Plus. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Debbie, and I have a son that's on the autism spectrum. He's 31 years old, and I have just decided to document my journey. So, in today's video, guys, I am beginning to start finishing up a project that I started a while back. Let me show you. So, I need to completely finish painting this fireplace as well as the wall. And what happened was I started painting it, and I painted it a different color. But then I went and got some black paint, and I painted another piece of furniture for my office. If you haven't seen that video of me premiering my office, the makeover, please check it out. Anyway, I like the color. I like the color black, and it's more of a matte finish, but you can still wipe it off. So the name of the paint is, let's see, it's Bear Dynasty, and the color is, I think it's charcoal. Let me see if I can set this down. Oh, yeah, it's carbon. That's the name of it. I love it, guys. I love it. So I'm going to finish painting this fireplace now. So I begin to, right now, tape off the floor, and I'm going to paint over the old paint, and it should be that carbon color, which is this color. If you look real closely, you can see the black compared to the old paint. The old paint had a sheen on it. I don't want that. I like the matte finish of this color. So I'm going to be working on that right now. The boys went to go get their hair cut. So I'm going to take advantage of the quiet time, and I'm going to start working on it. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. Anyway, you're going to watch me work. Okay, guys, so what I've done, and I have to try to concentrate. That's the reason I didn't videotape it, because I have to be precise. I'm going to paint over this current paint in here anyway, but this paint right here, this wall right here, I'm going to paint over that. But as you can see, I've started to take the wall here. So I need to go all the way up the wall, and I have it taped on the floor as well. So what I'm going to do today, I know I'm going to run out of paint. I'm going to go, and I have a small brush. Where's this brush? This is all the paint I have, by the way. So that's why I know I'm going to run out. So I may have to go to, excuse me, y'all. I may have to go to Home Depot to get some more paint. But this is a little brush that I use, and it's very easy to use. It's nice. And just for you guys who are interested in painting, or you don't, know little about painting and how to maintain your brushes. Someone told me this a long time ago. It was a painter who did. He said, soak your brushes in hot water and fabric softener. That's how it stays soft, and it'll keep your brushes for a long time, because some of these brushes are expensive. So let's keep on watching. I'm going to keep taping it off, and once I'm finished, then I'm just going to start painting, and I'll bring you guys back on and show you what I've done. Hey y'all, I'm back. Guess what your girl been doing? I had to go get the big girl out of the garage, y'all. That's what I had to use. Anyway, if you can see it, I have taped off everything. Everything. All the way up. You can see that. And then over here on this side, it's all the way taped down. So I am getting ready to, I have enough paint to paint the top, which is fine because I want to get finished with that first, get that out of the way. And then tomorrow, all I have to buy is a paint of the same type of paint, and I can finish the rest, because this part right here And this down here has already been painted. So it's just painting the back wall here, what's going to be remaining after I do it today. And then some touch up. And then I'll have enough to finish the inside of the cabinet that my girlfriend gave me. I only painted the outside. I didn't paint the inside. So I'll probably do that too, but not this weekend. I'll see how I'm feeling after I do all of this. So I'm excited to have it done because it was getting on my nerve. It was also getting on my oldest son's nerve. Every time I come over, he's like, Mom, when are you going to finish painting? I'm like, oh. To be honest with you, I was scared. So that's why I had to go out in my garage and get the big girl here. Yeah, Big Mama. So she helped me. When I step up on the second ladder, my head is almost touching the top of the ceiling. So I'm like, yeah, I can do this. I can do this now. So anyway, stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, our Circle Plus. Today is Sunday, July 3rd. Today is my great niece's birthday. I need to shout out or send her a text message or something for her birthday. Anyway, I thought I hate that. Thought I'd come on here real quickly. I am cleaning. I am finishing up a project. So what I just finished doing, guys, was, let me show you. Just finished vacuuming all the seat covers for the sofa for the sectional. I took it all, I took them all, I took the pillows off and then I vacuumed underneath, and you would be amazed at how much dust gets in there. I mean, it gets grimy. So later on, after I'm finished doing that, I have a steamer, and what I'm gonna do is I am going to steam clean the sofa. I'm gonna steam clean it and then let it air dry overnight. I'll probably also, I'm almost finished, guys, with my fireplace. Look at that. I'm going to finish it today. I got to season up the meat that we're going to barbecue, so I'm going to do that real quick. The house looks a mess, y'all. It really does. But I'm getting some things done. So you can tell, like, right there is where the old paint was. And I am almost finished. So I got some small brushes to get into the small areas in the back of the television. And I have a little roller that I'm going to use to finish it up today. But so far it looks pretty good. And then last but least, I will be cleaning the floors and then putting a shine on them. And then that will be it. But I will be checking back with you guys and just kind of showing you the progress throughout the day. It's going to be another video. So hopefully maybe this one may go up Thursday. I'm not sure. Today is Sunday. Yeah, I do have one already ready for tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. I had to stop cleaning for a moment. I decided to actually offer to help my son Brandon to meal prep. So I have made one container of pancakes, and I am working on another. So here's the pancakes here, and we put all natural honey on his pancakes, the raw honey. So that's what we use. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and season up the meat, and then I think Brandon's gonna probably cook later when the sun goes down because it's too hot right now. And then I will, after I season the meat, then I will finish the fireplace. So when I'm finished, I'm going to show you guys everything I've done today. Everything I've done. The house is still in a mess, so you're going to have to excuse it. But that's the way I am when I clean. I take everything out, pull everything out. I, vacuum, sweep, mop. So like I said, I vacuumed the furniture in the office. I'll show you that as well. The rug. I'm going to wash the covers for the sofa. And again, I will be probably mopping and cleaning the floors. That'll be much later when everybody's ready to go to bed, so they don't walk on it. And then I'll put the shine stuff on it last. So anyway, I'll show you that tomorrow, the floor tomorrow. But once I'm done with marinating or seasoning the meats and finishing up the fireplace, because I'm gonna take the let me show you. Okay, guys, you guys can see that I have blue tape all around the fireplace, all the way down. So it's all the way on the floor there. You probably can't see it, but there's a lot of blue tape. So once I finish, I will, I'll come back here and I'll show you guys. It's not focusing. Okay, there we go. I'll show you guys the finished product. Stay tuned. Guys, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what I'm doing. I'm just rolling. I have like a 3-inch roller, and I have a clear plastic pan that I'm using to pour the paint in, and this is the actual roller that I'm using to cut in on the spots that I've missed. So I'm just going to show you a little part of it. Whoa, don't you go anywhere. No, no, no. And then I'm just going to pull this out for a little bit to get behind the television. Okay, you just need to put this in your hand. And okay, so I wanted to show you that. So what I'll do is I'm going to finish, and I'm going to cut in the back, and then I'm going to touch up any other spots that I need to touch up, and then I'll be right back to show you the finished product. So it's later in the day. I'm exhausted. I haven't washed the covers for the sofa yet, but I'll do that later. I'm not sure if I shared with you guys the last Target haul that I did when I went to explore the Tabitha Brown collection. But anyway, I had bought this, and I think I forgot to tell you guys, from Target, and I really like it in here in the office. It's really nice, and I had the feather. I think I got the feather from CB2 a while back. But yeah, so everything's clean in here, guys. Of course, I've got several ladders. That's Miss Mia's blanket. It's clean. I vacuumed out the chairs. I cleaned my office chair. So sometimes it gets a little dirty, but I usually put a towel in there just to make sure that I protect it during the week. And then let me show you what else. Okay, guys. So the tape is off. I've done the touch up. Overall, I'm okay with it, but I see some imperfections and it drives me nuts. But for right now, I'm just going to let it go. I'll probably pick up the paint and, touch it up again. I don't know. Maybe when I paint the room the off-white, the alabaster white color, I will probably just try and touch it up. But at least it's done, and now I just need to clean the television, and that will be it. And then I'll clean the floors tonight and steam the sofa, and that'll be it. That's gonna be a wrap, guys. So we're getting ready to start the fire for the barbecue. It's just too hot. If you don't barbecue early in the day here, you have to wait until later. Especially when you don't have a cover over your patio or something. You're standing in the direct sunlight. It's just too hot. So we are getting ready to do that. I'm really tired, y'all. And I'm going to take a shower. I may just show you guys a quick picture when I'm finished cleaning the floors tonight. Just to show you what it looks like to close out the vlog. But I won't probably say anything. So I'll say this now. Happy 4th to everyone. Have a safe, happy, and stay cool holiday. And I'll see you on Thursday.